Hi, Debbie. It's Albert here. Here we are on your account. So I'm going over here to your payment gateway. All right. So you can see here, this is your payment gateway, your integration. The only integration that you have right now is Stripe. Okay. So if you're somehow using PayPal, the only other way that you can use PayPal, and it's not in your integration here, is maybe through maybe WordPress or something like that. If that's what's going on, then you're going to need to come in here and add PayPal. Let me see something real quick here. Yeah, so I think you have the $97 account, I think here. Let's see here. Account billing. What is your subscription? Okay, so you're in a share funnel plan. Okay, so you can only have one payment gateway. All right, so you can't have both. And right now you currently have Stripe. Okay, just so you're aware, I'm not sure if you have another account, another ClickFunnels account or something like that, but in this one that you logged in and sent the ticket in with, you're currently using Stripe here. So as you can see, you don't have any other integrations other than Stripe. Okay, so that's why I went through and I made that video for you. You stated that you were having an API issue. Just so you're aware, I just wanted to make sure I went over this in some detail with you. Now again, if you want to use Stripe, or if you want to use PayPal, you're gonna have to delete this one. Okay. I mean, you can keep this and then try to add PayPal, but you're only going to be able to use one or the other. You can't use both, especially on a share account. At this point, I'm not even sure if it will even let you. It'll likely allow you to add them both. You certainly won't be able to use both of them. Okay. Even typically for a 97 a month account, they're only allowed one payment gateway. Okay. All right. So I hope that clears that up for you. Considering you are using Stripe, the instructions I gave you in the last message, I would follow those if you're going to continue to use Stripe. Otherwise, if you want to use PayPal, you're going to have to add the integration. Okay. You're going to have to come here and you're going to have to actually add PayPal, the V2. All right. And then the email prior to my last email, the other agent actually sent you some detailed instruction for PayPal, okay, in the webhook, adding the button, all of that, okay. You can go ahead and follow those instructions in that other email if you want to use PayPal, okay. So it's pretty good that you got both of us answering to your call this morning. So you have both options and plenty of instruction to go over for both, okay? So again, right now, you currently in this account, you only have a Stripe PayPal, or I'm sorry, a Stripe payment gateway, okay? Set up currently, okay? All right, I hope that clears that up for you. If you have another account, then we're gonna have to go into that account and deal with your issue. You're going to have to log in and to that account, and then we'll need the email for that account. All right, so that we can access that account for you and go ahead and make you a video and go through it just like we are here. Okay. All right. Thanks. I hope that clears that up for you.